name is Carlos. I'm gonna show you guys how to change the needle and the needle seat of a 1313 or 1329 Autosampler. We're gonna change needle seat, and do the alignment. To do the alignment, you're gonna need to have a Game Boy or a chem station or lab advisor. In this case, we're gonna use lab advisor. If you are one of our customers, usually lab advisor is installed in your computer. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna turn on the Autosampler, and then we're gonna go to lab advisor and select maintenance position. Okay, after that, you're gonna go to the place to say change needle and needle seat and press start. Okay. Then you're gonna hear the Autosampler moving. And to change the needle, you're gonna need to have two 1/4 wrenches. Okay. First thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna hold the needle from here from the inside and remove the loop. Okay. After you remove the loop, you go again to lab advisor and you select needle down until you are able to see the screw that hold the needle. Then you need a 2.5 millimeter Allen key to remove that screw. You're able to remove the needle. You don't need to remove this screw completely, but I want you you guys see this slot here. Okay, in that slot is where you're gonna install the new needle. The new needle is gonna rest in that slot. Okay. There is this guy here. You need the 1/4 wrench. Remove the nut from the injection valve. And after that is loose, you use a flat-headed screwdriver and you just push it from the bottom. See? This is the new needle seat. I'm gonna bend it a little bit to the hole. Okay. And you hear that click, means it's in the right position. Okay, you put the nut back. That's it. Now, for the needle, like I showed you, you need to rest in that slot. And let's put this back. Now this is the difficult part, is put the needle in the slot. Okay, when she's in the slot, you need to push down. In the same time that you're pushing down, you are tightening the screw. Okay. If that screw is tight, you're gonna connect the needle seat, the needle loop to the needle. Okay. Then you're gonna use again both 1/4 wrenches, one for hold the needle and one for tightening the nut. Okay. Now, after you install the new needle seat, the new needle, and connect the loop, you're gonna go again to Lab Advisor. You're gonna click needle up a couple of times, and you're gonna see that the needle do not align with the hole. Okay. Now, you just lose the screw a little bit. Just be sure that it's in the slot. Tighten it up. Get it as close as you can to the hole. Put the needle down, and with your finger, you're gonna bend the needle just a little bit. Don't go too hard on her. Just a little bit until that needle align with the hole. Okay. Go down. You're gonna do it a couple of times. Go up. Is the needle scratch the side of the needle seat? You're gonna clog the needle seat. Okay. You need to be sure that the needle is getting exactly in the middle of that hole. Okay. Put the door back, and you're gonna select end. But that's it. That's how you change a needle and a needle seat. Thank you.